Hey guys, I'm just gonna jump right on in here with this quick little mini haul. So, first up, I just got these butterfly sequins just to put into my packages for my press on nails, just to make it a little pretty. If you know me, you know I love butterflies, all things butterflies, everything butterflies. There is always a butterfly somewhere in whatever business I have. So, next up, I have these long square full cover press on nails. These I got just to test them out. They're not the original brand that I normally use for my press ons, but I like the look of these. They're not too long, they're not listed as XL. And I don't think I will ever really go that much longer than what these are right here, simply because no one's really asking for them. But they are very sturdy and not too much longer than, what I have here and what I normally sell. So these look amazing. I love the cases that they come in instead of the bags. The numbers are on the outside, which makes it significantly easier. That is the set. I wish it came a little fuller, but I won't complain, and you'll see those in later videos. Next up, I needed some more buffer blocks to go inside of my press-on nail kits. So I picked up these. They look fairly long, but essentially you just take one out and you break them apart. See, they come pre-etched. So then one of those will go inside of your nail kit. And I got all of these things from Amazon, and I'll post links to everything in the description box below. But the main event of this video right here is this practice hand. I almost called it a press on hand, y'all, but a practice hand. I have been eyeing these silicone practice hands for a while, and I finally just broke down and just got one. I don't really do too many practice designs, but I want to, increase my skills and everything. So I have it. So in the box, you just get, this is exactly how it comes. I opened it up with you guys. You get these extra long curved tips. I don't know what I'm going to do with these. I won't be using them. I won't be practicing with them. I won't be, just nothing. Just nothing. But they are extra long, dramatically curved, and super thin. Like, you'll see. Extra long, dramatically curved, super thin. Look at that. Ugh. I was like, what am I supposed to do with this? Like, I don't even want to put them on my practice hand. Like, so those will just be somewhere. And if I need to, like, practice, like, some designs or something, I guess I'll use them, but I don't know. And it comes with these, like, sticky tabs that goes on the bottom of the stand. So I ended up putting just one down. It's very sturdy. These things work. You get 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 5 of them. So, so I've only used the one. I haven't really done too many designs with the hand or whatever. I just, stuck it up there. It has a home now permanently. So we'll see how long that one lasts. If I need to replace it, I'll let you know how long it's been. So you get this stand, suction cup at the bottom, pretty basic. That locks it in place. Nothing major, your regular cup, suction cup. This flex, it took some muscle to actually bend that, so it will stay in place. But let's get into this hand. It is so realistic. Like, it just feels like, even through the plastic, it feels so good. Like, I don't know how to explain it to you guys. But it just comes in, this mesh bag wrapped in plastic. I'm glad that it's wrapped in plastic. I do have to tell you guys, this thing collects every single speck of dust you can think of. So, yeah. I'll be washing this hand like it got COVID. I'm telling you. But look at it. Oh my gosh. It's so realistic. Oh, the size of it. Like, it's just about the size of my hand. Like, look, oh my goodness. It's absolutely posable, and it's just the most lifelike that I've seen thus far. This will actually be absolutely be posted in the description bar below as well. But look at the cuticle area. It's completely silicone. I kind of wish the nail beds weren't. And I don't know if there's any on the market that have more of like an acrylic or plastic nail bed, but the nail bed is silicone, so it's extremely soft. It's extremely soft. But essentially you just lock that into place on your desk. You do need the sticky tab because I was trying to lock it in place without it. It just doesn't stay. Like when you go to try to move it, it pops right back up. So the adhesive tabs that come with it is required. That's what I believe because it's just not. It just doesn't stay in place for me. But you just stick that in, and there you go. So I brought out these nails again from that Shein press on nail fail video. If you haven't watched that, go watch it after you watch this one. But just to show you guys what the nails look like or what the hand looks like with nails. So I'm just putting them on, and you guys can just see that. But this hand is like so soft, like almost too soft. Like I'm used to like more of a sturdy feel, but I like that this hand is posable for when I do like practice nail art and can post pictures and everything. It has a very lifelike and realistic look to it. So I'm not going to complain too much about it, but let me just show you what it will look like when I get these nails in. I should have just sped up this portion of the video, but no big deal. And so, yeah, I got the practice hand because when I do my nails, like, most nail artists that are on YouTube, they'll do like one hand or they'll pop them right back off. I'm not doing that. When I do my nails, they're on. I'm keeping them on for 2 to 3 weeks, and that's that. So you won't see my hands getting another design until it's time for them to have another design. So I just keep my nails on. So I got the practice hand to just be able to keep posting videos on a routine basis instead of posting one every 3 weeks when I redo my nails. So get used to seeing her. We got to give her a name. I don't know what it's going to be. But anyway, as you can see, look at those knuckles. They look so real. Oh my goodness. Like it just looks so real. And it's so soft. Like it's just absolutely soft. That soft silicone. Like almost like those newborn babies that you guys see like everywhere. The ones that like look so lifelike. That's what this hand feels like the babies look like. I don't know. I don't know, but I just put one of my rings on her hand just to show you, like, that looks like someone's hand. And they come in a variety of colors and shades, guys. I think there's like 5 different shades, and this is not the darkest shade. I think this number is like a 43 or a 44, but there is a shade darker, and then there are about 3 shades lighter. But look at that. And shouts out to the company for having the melanin shades because, right, most companies don't always do that. You get that yellow, white, pale white, not realistically Caucasian, if you know what I mean. You get that type of hand, but this one is just so lifelike. Oh, I am like in awe of this thing, but this is what it looks like. And so I just was having a little bit of too much fun with it, but I'm absolutely happy with this purchase. And so, I don't even know if I said it already, but if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you do. I'm knocking these videos out left and right. We don't want you to miss anything. So make sure you click that notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a video. And just look, I was just posing just to see like what angles I can get, like when I'm posting photos of nails. Look at that hand. Like, look, you see my thumbs up. I'm so happy with it. So then I just flipped it over and was like, the palm. Like, just look. If you guys need a realistic, lifelike hand just to pose your nail art, it just looks like you have another person sitting across from you at the table. I love the color. I love the feel. I love like all the details. They paid absolutely close attention to detail when they did this hand. Oh my goodness. And look at the ease. Like so I'm saying you can pose her like this, like, you know. But just look. Oh my goodness. And you just post your photos. Look at that. I highly recommend. I highly recommend. But just keep in mind that it collects a lot of dust. That filing dust, it collects a lot of dust. Maybe I don't know, rubber down with Vaseline or something. I don't know. But thank you for watching. Again, everything will be listed below. And have a good day, you guys. See you in the next one.